Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Georgina. If you are new to my channel, it's so great to have you here. In today's recipe, I'm gonna share with you how to make pizza without oven. So if you're a pizza lover and you don't have oven, this recipe is the best for you. This is without oven and yet it turned out so delicious, so yummacious. You're going to love it. The ingredients are so simple and it's very easy to make this recipe. Let's get started. In the mixing bowl, add in your flour, yeast, salt, sugar, olive oil. You can use any oil of your choice. Add in water and mix this until it forms a dough. So the water, I added it to it twice, first and then second, just to make sure everything is incorporated well. And then if I need more flour or more water, I'll add it to it. So I added in the second water and then knead it for about 5 minutes in the bowl. When done, brush on top with olive oil or any oil of your choice. Cover it with a cling film and keep it or let it rest for about 30 minutes. Now let's move to the pizza sauce, which is so easy. Add in tomato puree, salt, chili powder. The chili powder is optional. Vegetable seasoning, you can add in any seasoning of your choice. Dried oregano and olive oil. Mix these ingredients together and then set it aside. So if you don't have the tomato puree, you can use fresh tomatoes, cook it and then blend it. After, in the clean surface, sprinkle a little bit of flour and transfer your dough on it. Just fold it in to make sure you have a smooth surface. Then sprinkle a little bit of flour on top and then roll it with your rolling pin. So it should be flat like this, and then I'll go ahead and measure it with my pan if it will fit into my pan, just like so. So I'm using a flat pan, but you can use any pan that you have in the house or that you have in hand. I'll use the tip of my fingers to spread it all over the pan, just like so, and then transfer it onto my gas cooker. I'll let this cook. I'll close it and let it cook for about 5 minutes. Flip it and let it cook for about 2 minutes on the other side too. After 2 minutes, I'll make little holes in the dough with my fork or with the fork. By then you want to make sure you've off the fire before doing this. I'll then spread tomato puree, the tomato sauce that we made earlier on. I'll spread it on top and then add in the cheese, just like so. For the topping, I'll use sausage, spring onion and red onion. That's the topping that I'm using. I'll spread it on top of the cheese, and then I'll spread the spring onion and the red onion as well. So this is very easy making this. You just need to have your ingredients and then you're good to go. Just look at it. Isn't it beautiful, guys? You can add in any vegetables of your choice. I'll then close it and then let it cook for about 5 minutes again. After 5 minutes, I checked and it was cooked, although but I wanted to cook more at the on the top, so I let it cook for about for another 5 minutes again. And guys, this is ready. It turned out so delicious, so yummacious, guys. If you don't have oven, this is the best recipe for you guys. And just look at it. Look at the bottom was very crispy, guys. It was so delicious. I'll then divide it into pieces with my pizza cutter and you're good to go. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video and I hope you're going to give this a try because it's very delicious. Please give me a credit by giving this video a thumbs up, like, share, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, follow my page, and guys, see you in my next video. Till then, adios. Wow, this turned out so delicious. It's cheesy. If you don't like a lot of cheese, you can just take out some of the cheese and see how the back is golden brown. It's crispy, the bread is cooked well. It will take you to heaven, guys. I hope you're gonna give this a try, and then you send me the picture in the comment section. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.